Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a password bar to hide and show your password in login forms. Let's begin. Tutorial. Create a folder. Create a folder. Name is password. In the inside this folder, we should have the two images like I close and I open I. We place this image inside this folder password. Then open VS Code and select open folder and open this folder. Now here click this icon to create a new folder. I am typing index.html. Now which begin with our coding. Include the doc type HTML. Include the HTML tag. Include the head tag. Put a title for your website. Like I am giving password. Any title. You can give any title. You can give any title. Inside type body tag. First we can have a div tag. Say this we should have an input tag. Input tag. Now we can see our HTML file. Now you can see an input tag is created. Then an input bar is created. And press Ctrl B to hide this side icon, sidebar. You can use like type equal to password. The password type equal to password, which means it hides your password, hides your text, which you are typing. Refresh, and this hides your text. And the type equal to text means it reveals your text what you're typing. You can see the text. Now I'm using a class here which is input box. I'm typing as input box, and uh, and using an image tag. Image and source is equal to uh, I I close. First the I should close dot png. Now type, that's all, and give an ID for this. I'm giving I1. Now refresh this. Now you can see this image. You should adjust the position of the image such that it should place here in this, near this box. I'm using now. I'm proceeding with CSS style tag. Using style tag, you can also use external CSS like using here a link tag. You can use a link tag and relation equal to style sheet. You can type here style sheet and type here href equal to that style sheet name. You can also use this way, but I am not using this. I am directly using internal CSS and typing the body, background, color equal to black. You can see here the background is black. Then I'm typing margin 0, and display equal to flex. You can see the margin is not included here. Display equal to flex. Using justify content equal to center. I'm placing this whole thing in center. Now we can replace this. We can remove this image and see that box you can see this box here. Align items equal to center, and also typing like uh, height 100 vh. Vh means viewport height. Also I'm using this like I'm giving an id for this equal to pw. Pw means password. Type equal to password. Now for this visibility of the input box, we should use that hash input selecting this id, sorry, a dot input box, because this class means you should use dot, then the followed by the class name input box. Inside this I'm including the position equal to absolute. Now we can refresh this. And for the I1 is nothing but it is id, so we should use hashtag I1, and I1 is id, position absolute. Now we can see, this box which is absolute to the body, which is a parent for, which is a child for the body. Then this eye image is the eye image is child to this input box, do this input box. Then we can adjust its position. You can see like I'm typing the background color white. We can see, sorry, background color equal to white. Now it is not visible. You can see the white is around this box. We can see by using padding equal to 10 pixel, which will, now we can see this padding will create an 10 pixel gap over this input box. Now we can equal to height equal to 30 pixel, and can set the width as set the width as 200 pixel. Now we can see it is now great. Should adjust this image position, height height we can see height equal to 80 pixel. I am giving 18 pixel. Now refresh. You can see here the image size is reduced, and width also I am giving 80 pixel. Now we should adjust its position by using the two attributes like top equal to, I'm getting 140 pixel. Now it's going down. Sorry, first I can going down. Now you can see it is going down. We should Now refresh this. Now we can see here. Now we should move it up. For that we should use top, then followed by minus. Minus means it will go up upwards. You can see minus 5 pixel means it's go upwards. I am giving minus 10 pixels, minus 50 pixels, Q minus 30 pixel, minus 20 pixel. Now it's perfect. And now we should move this image light leftwards using left equal to. I'm giving 100 pixel. Sorry, this you should use not you should use absolute. You should use here relative. It must be relative to this input box. Relative I'm using relative. Now we can adjust its position. I am top equal to. Now we can see it. Now it's perfect. Now we should adjust its left position. We can move 100 pixels. Now we can move 130 pixels. Now we can move 140 pixels. 140. Now it's perfect. We should include the placeholder. Placeholder is nothing but it will displays inside this box. We can see that placeholder. I'm typing enter password. Enter password will be inside this box. We can use now refresh. You can see this enter password. You can see this image. The image is not working. We should add the JavaScript function for this image for working. Now proceeding with JavaScript. Sorry, this HTML tag should be placed. HTML should be placed here. Now, now this what we should include the script tag. Inside the script tag, we should type our JavaScript code for the function of this image. First, we type. I'm getting an. I'm using document dot get element by id. Inside this, I'm typing an id, which is that image id I1, and also I'm getting this PW, which is password I1, and saving this in a variable I means image, and also using the variable like P for the password, and also cut and copying this. I'm using here PW, which is this password ID. You can see this input tag ID is PW. We should add the function here. Function. I'm including change. Now also I'm using this function by clicking. I'm using this on click attribute here. Inside this, we should type a function name. I'm typing change. On clicking this image, it will call this function. On clicking this image, it will call this change function. Inside this change function, we should if p dot type double equal to is equal to password, means we should change that p dot type t dot type equal to text. else we should p dot type equal to assign this to password. Now we can see this function is working or not. Typing here. Now we can see here this it is working. By clicking this image, it will changes the password to text. You can see this it is working. Also, we should change this image. For that changing the image, we should use this I variable i dot src equal to src equal to which is source. We should use we already used this close image I close image. We should open that I open.png open.png. Now we should copy here and we should use the iclose.png. Now it is completed. Now we can refresh this. I'm typing like password. Now we can see, sorry, spelling mistake. Now we can see this password is hiding. Password is hiding and password is showing. Enter password. Now it's asking to enter a password. I'm typing like password. Now we can use this image to show that password. Now image is changing and you can click that image again to hide the password. Now it's working. Now it is working correctly, successfully. It is completed successfully. Thank you.